Okay, second graders, we're going to do another directed drawing today. We're going to do the Be Mine Valentine. Bzzz. Okay, so here we go. Place your paper vertically, that's up and down. And now you're going to draw a circle in the middle of your paper, like me. That's the head of your bee. Now you're going to draw a long vertical circle connecting to the head for the body. Like that. Ooh, look at that. That looks so good. Okay, now you're going to draw two curved lines at the bottom for the stinger. Oh, I don't like that. Let me try again. Like that. On each side of the body, draw a heart for the wings, like this. Curved around, curved around. Another, curved around, curved around. Now on the top of the head, you're going to draw two lines that resemble a candy cane, and then on each of those, you're going to draw hearts on the end, like this. Candy cane, candy cane. Now I'm going to draw hearts. Heart, 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 heart. Okay, so looking more like a bee. Now I'm going to draw stripes on the body because it's a bee, so he has stripes. Ooh, let me try again. Okay, and then draw two hearts for eyes and a curved line for the smile. Eye, eye. And then you can put a heart here if you want, or you can put a circle, your choice. I like hearts since it is Valentine's Day. I'm gonna fix my eyes, they weren't the best, so I'm gonna erase the best I can, and I'm gonna try again. It's hard on the iPad. So now I have a bee, and I can color it, and color the background. The last thing you can write is you can write in your best handwriting, Be Mine. And your bee is complete. Be Mine. You can color it black and yellow and black and yellow and black and yellow. You can also, if you would like, outline him with a, or her, with a black Sharpie before you color, so it looks pops. Make sure you give this to someone special today. Remember, and be mine. Bzzz.